Hi guys, finally Oppo revealed its latest smartphone Oppo Reno 12. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Oppo Reno 12: height 6.35 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 7.3 mm, the weight is 179 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Oppo Reno 12, it's come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.7 inch with 89.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the PPI density is 394. The Oppo Reno 12 comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection of Oppo Reno 12 it comes with ASUS class. Let's talk about the platform of Oppo Reno 12. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 8250 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X3 and the GPU is Motorola G610. The memory of Oppo Reno 12 is 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The front camera is 50 megapixel and it records 4K 30 fps video record with selfie camera. The battery of Oppo Reno 12 it comes with 4880 mAh battery. The charging is 80 watt fast wired, no wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging port. The common sensor featured it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 GPS, infrared port, USB Type-C, stereo speaker, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.1 and IP65 dust and water resistant. The price of Oppo Reno 12 is $499.